Oh, I forgot I was recording. Hello, guys. You know you could be. Follow Nod, bye Nod. Poor Nod.
Wait, I thought that was you.
That was Nod.
I thought that was you because you two have the same color. Video recording.
Yeah. Is there an easier way to get here? Oh, hello guys. Welcome to Obby But Your Duck 15. Do I look like a bird to you? Do this sound like a bird? It's a duck. Where are you? Hey, how are you still here? You could have been in this clock right now. Don't ask how I got here. Actually, go over there. I don't trust you. Now I trust you. Quack! 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 No! It's all your fault. I have to stay.
I hold on with you, Kuya.
It was your fault. Now I'm truly posting this because it was your fault, not mine, Jessica. Ah, why am I?
Hey, bye, Erica.
Wait a minute. Hannah, come back here.
No.
Please. We need to do something. Just come on, please. You're here? Wait. Ah! Stop right there. 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 Face that tree over there. Face that tree. With me in your shoulders. Ay, nako! Just look at where I'm looking at. Ay, nako! It's not like that. Don't be in the same position. Do we look familiar? We look like Afmao and Aaron together.
Aaron, come and help us.
You're not Kawaii-chan! Oh yeah, I forgot I'm recording. You're not! Actually, I'm pink. Quack! You're not Kawaii-chan! Oh yeah, guys, you want to see a magic trick to this? Hey, there can't be two Afmaos.
You're apples.
Oh wait, no, I'm Michi.
Yeah, I'm Mitzi. Bye, Mitzi. Chicken.
Don't ask why I did that.
You don't do what? The color? You're kawaii.
Afmao-kun. Hello, Afmao-kun. Oh no!
It's not Ahmad-kun. It's Apple Senpai.
Afmao-san.
Apple Senpai. Yeah, you died.
I'm Aaron again, finally. I thought I would be Ian or Pierce.
You would be Zane.
Zane would be black! Or Jean.
Yeah, you should be Jean because you're not.
I'm not Jean! You're Jean! Yeah, Jean likes the color purple! Jean likes the color purple. Actually, I read it in the Wikipedia. Jean likes the color purple. I am not lying. Where? Where?
Where are you right now?
Where? I'm already here. I'm just gonna wait for you. Again.
Again and again and again and again.
that? Slash E. Yes. What? I didn't move. There.